Imagine waking up one day to discover your job has been automated overnight. That's the harsh reality we face today. The AI job displacement crisis is not a distant threat. It's already happening and it's affecting thousands. In May 2025, Microsoft laid off 6,000 employees, while IBM followed suit with 8,000 more. These aren't just numbers, they represent real people. This pattern indicates a rapid shift where jobs can vanish at any moment. According to the latest statistics, in 2025 alone, we've seen 326 layoffs across tech companies, impacting a staggering 76,440 people. An average of 513 jobs lost daily to AI. The World Economic Forum predicts that 41% of employers will reduce their workforce within 5 years due to AI. But the truth is, many companies aren't waiting. They are making cuts now. Now let's examine the current state of layoffs. Major companies are making drastic cuts, with 40% of Microsoft's layoffs being software engineers. IBM's focus is on its HR department, with 9,000 more layoffs planned. Other companies like Meta and Amazon are also trimming their workforces. This wave of layoffs feels different. It's not just about cutting costs anymore, it's about replacing entire roles with AI. This reality hits entry-level workers the hardest. Research shows that hiring of new graduates fell by 25% last year, indicating positions that simply no longer exist. AI is set to take over entry-level jobs, especially in roles such as HR, content writing, customer service, financial analysis, and more. For instance, AI chatbots have reduced telemarketing costs by 80%. Meanwhile, financial and market research roles are increasingly automated due to AI's ability to analyze data much faster than humans can. But why wait? AI is not just replacing jobs, it's transforming the workplace as we know it. For example, companies are shutting down HR departments and forcing staff to use AI for support, leading to gradual acceptance of this change. What about job roles that are being eliminated this week? Key examples include HR staff, content and copywriters, customer service representatives, financial analysts, administrative roles, market research analysts, legal researchers, medical transcriptionists, and even graphic designers. Technologies like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Google's VO3 can produce designs and videos faster and cheaper than any team could. So what can you do to stay relevant? Mastering AI tools and developing skills like data analysis, creative problem solving, and emotional intelligence are key. Adaptability is crucial. Remember, the survival rule is, AI won't take your job if you're the best at using it. It's a critical choice. Adapt immediately or risk becoming irrelevant. The displacement has already begun, and the question isn't if AI will affect your job, but whether you can evolve quickly enough to stay afloat. The bottom line is clear. AI job displacement is happening now, not in the future. The decision rests on individuals. Upgrade your skills and adapt to thrive in this new landscape. Take action today. Upgrade your resume with one simple click and stand out to recruiters. Stay ahead of the game and prepare for what's next.